Imagine a world where your meals are planned by algorithms, crops are harvested by robots, and your grocery list is curated by AI. Welcome to the future of food. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping every facet of the food industry. AI is revolutionizing agriculture by enabling precision farming. Sensors and drones collect data on soil health, moisture levels, and crop growth, allowing farmers to make informed decisions. This technology not only increases yield, but also promotes sustainable farming practices. In manufacturing, AI ensures consistency and quality. Machine learning algorithms detect anomalies in products, reducing waste and ensuring safety. Companies like Kraft Heinz utilize AI to optimize recipes, enhancing flavor and nutrition. AI is enhancing the retail experience. From personalized recommendations to efficient delivery systems, technology ensures customers receive what they want when they want it. Instacart's Smart Shop feature, for instance, tailors grocery lists based on dietary preferences. Restaurants are embracing AI for efficiency and innovation. Robotic chefs can replicate recipes with precision, while AI systems manage inventory and predict customer preferences, enhancing the dining experience. AI plays a crucial role in ensuring food safety and promoting sustainability. By monitoring supply chains and predicting potential hazards, AI helps prevent contamination. Additionally, it aids in reducing food waste by optimizing inventory and forecasting demand. Artificial intelligence is not just a futuristic concept, it's actively transforming how we produce, distribute, and consume food. As technology continues to evolve, the integration of AI in the food industry promises a future of efficiency, safety, and sustainability. If you found this exploration insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on technology and innovation and many more.